Are you fond of eating chicken wings and drinking cola? Well, this dish is for you. The yummy, simple and easy to prepare Coca-Cola chicken wings. Chicken wings are commonly served in Chinese dining, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Coca-Cola chicken wings. Here are the ingredients: 12 pieces of chicken wings or the chicken mid joints, some garlic, slices of ginger and carrots. We also need 1 Chinese spoon of rice wine, 2 Chinese spoons of light soy sauce and 2 spoons of dark soy sauce, 1 can of Coca-Cola and white pepper powder. Now let's start to cook. Prepare your wok, preheat it, and as soon as it is heat up, pour some oil. There. Then put your ginger and garlic. Just fry a bit. Just let the color turn to light brown. Move it aside and put the chicken wings. Make sure the oil is hot enough so that the chicken joints, the chicken wings will not stick to the wok. Okay, for the tip, in preparing your chicken wings, you need to rub it with a generous amount of salt to remove those unpleasant frozen smell. Now it's time to pour the wine, the dark soy sauce, and the light soy sauce. As well as the Coca-Cola. For this recipe, actually I have 750 ml of Coca-Cola can, but I will only use half of it. Make sure your wings don't stick to the wok to avoid burning. So when it turns to boil, cover it and simmer for some time. Once in a while you check it. Now you see that the sauce is getting a bit thicker. Now you can dump your carrots into it and then give a little more time simmering it. It looks good, nice. And the aroma is so yummy. Sweet aroma. Now it looks like this. It's getting thicker. Season with white pepper powder. Then give it a stir. And it's almost time. When the sauce is the consistency is thick, then it's time to dish up, and it will look like this. The yummy Coca-Cola chicken wings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please, I'm asking you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope one day you would also try to cook this recipe. Thank you so much. God bless and keep safe.